What's going on, y'all? Rolling on 2 back at it again. This video is going to go over the breakdown of the Yamaha R7. We've removed all the decals and broke down all the plastics, getting it ready for wrap. Let's get it.
Taking off the OEM decal, I was like, this man knows. We're about to do it. He's doing it. He's taking off the OEM decal. Yeah, yeah, be careful. Ooh-wee. Nah, but it is true, it won't show on the wrap. So. Defaced. Defaced. For sure, because they're black.
Yo, what's up with the R9 though? So it's gonna be what, like a new R6 basically?
Yeah, I think they're making the MT09 into a full fairing.
That's it. They're just putting plastics on this.
Can you make it more obvious? And I'm like,
Yeah.
I'll be past myself. I just wanted to like
Ghost
I
count.
tried it one more time. I was like, all right, I'm gonna go.
Stay tuned. This bike right here is gonna be amazing when we're done with it. Let's get it, y'all. All two. Let's go.